Right lads, oh, that's me, got the drone in the air. I'm going to see if it'll follow me along this wee dirt road here. Got an altitude about 20 feet, distance is 34 feet. Oh, still recording yet. Right, see how it does.
So this bike that I'm riding is almost a stock Surron LBX. I mean, it was a road legal version. I've just stripped it all back to basically be like a mountain bike. I've updated the bars, I've added like a direct mount stem, Shimano brakes. I've added an awesome seat riser kit that I got for the EV freaks. Apart from that, it's basically running a stock X controller with a 60-volt battery, no brake sensors. The drone that's following me is the very first DJI Mavic Mini. We're using the Litchi app, which is a third-party tool that you can buy on the Android store. This type of riding scenario for me is just perfect for the follow me mode, especially in these kind of barren wasteland Scottish hillsides. The only issue would be the reception from a mobile phone, because the drone is following the GPS signal from that phone, and you'll see that as it's flying along. I might turn a corner, the phone sends a signal to the drone takes a wee second or two to kind of kick in, and then it'll turn and get back on that path again. But you can see here, it does an amazing job just following us along here. Section here with the drone just missing these cables. It was just so lucky that it went under and then over. It's just some piece of technology, and then coming back over this section here, it's just getting a bit of throttle to keep the drone low under these cables here. Just a quick check back to make sure we're doing okay. Like I said, when I'm turning, the drone takes a wee second just to say where is it, and it kind of gets that GPS position, locks on again, and just keeps you in focus. Going to get a fresh battery in this, going to get it back up in the air, repositioned, get it to follow us all the way to the top of DunRod Hill. Should be interesting. What I noticed here was, because I had the drone remote control in my right hand shorts kind of pocket, and the drone was on my left hand side, it just couldn't get a signal. There was just not enough reception between me and the drone, so it just kind of stopped and went into fail safe mode. Yeah, so we're just going to reposition the drone, get the drone moved behind us, and that way there's just so much open space on its left hand side that it can still get up.
1 feet distance. 44% battery.